Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of investing and tackling a question that pops up for a lot of new investors: how to link your bank account to Wealthsimple. Think about it. You're all fired up, ready to take control of your financial future. You've opened your Wealthsimple account, browsed the investment options, and you're itching to put your money to work. But hold on a sec, there's one crucial step before you can unleash your inner investing guru. That's right, connecting your bank account to Wealthsimple is your gateway to buying stocks, ETFs, or building your robo-advisor portfolio. It's like having all the ingredients for a delicious financial recipe, but needing that magic touch to actually cook it up. So, fear not, fellow investors. This video will be your stress-free guide to linking your bank account to Wealthsimple. We'll break down the process step by step, answer any lingering questions, and get you ready to start investing with confidence. Now, before we jump in, let's address a common concern. Is it safe to link my bank account to Wealthsimple? Absolutely. Wealthsimple uses top-notch security measures to protect your information. They employ industry-standard encryption protocols and keep your banking details separate from your investment holdings. Plus, Wealthsimple is a registered investment advisor, which means they're held to strict regulations to safeguard your hard-earned cash. Alright, enough chit-chat, let's get down to business. First things first, you'll need to be logged into your Wealthsimple account. If you haven't signed up yet, no worries. The process is quick and easy, just head over to Wealthsimple's website and get yourself registered. Now, back to our logged-in heroes. Once you're in your Wealthsimple account, look for the Profile section, usually found in the top right corner. From there, navigate to Settings and choose either Self-Directed Investing or Manage Portfolios depending on your account type. Don't worry, it's all pretty straightforward. Within the settings, you'll find a section dedicated to funding your account. This might be labeled Move Funds or something similar. Here's where the magic happens: look for the option to Add a Bank Account. Now comes the easy part. Wealthsimple will provide a list of popular Canadian banks. If yours is there, simply select it from the list. If not, no problem. You can still link your account by manually entering your bank information. Here's a heads up: Wealthsimple will need your institution number, transit number, and account number. These are typically found on a pre-printed check or your online banking portal. Just make sure you have those handy before you proceed. Wealthsimple will then use a secure verification process to link your bank account. This usually involves micro-deposits into your account, which you'll then need to confirm the amounts. It's a quick and secure way for Wealthsimple to ensure everything is legit. Once the verification is complete, voila! Your bank account will be successfully linked to Wealthsimple. You're now officially ready to start investing and putting your money to work for you. Now, a quick side note: while linking your bank account is the most common way to fund your Wealthsimple account, there are other options available. You can use Interac e-Transfer for instant deposits, or even link a debit card for smaller, on-the-go investments. But for regular investing and larger deposits, linking your bank account is the way to go. It's convenient, secure, and lets you seamlessly transfer funds to and from your Wealthsimple account. So that's it, folks. Linking your bank account to Wealthsimple is a breeze. With just a few clicks and some handy bank info, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't be afraid to start small, do your research, and make informed decisions. Wealthsimple offers a wealth of resources, pun intended, to help you navigate the world of investing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.